What's up guys, welcome back to another video. My name is David Ochola. In case you're new here, this is Wardrobe Chronicles, and on this channel we get to talk about style, grooming and manners. So if you want to change from being this guy to being this guy, you should subscribe today because we post a new video every week and you don't want to miss out on that. Oh, and don't forget to turn on the notifications bell so that you can get a notification immediately I post. Those of you who have been watching this channel for a while know that I'm always on the lookout or always trying to make things a little better. So in today's video, we'll talk about how to spice up basic outfits that would otherwise be basic. Let's add on some sugar, some spice, and everything nice. So the first thing to do, and I'm sure most of you have seen this one coming, or most of you saw this one coming, is to wear a watch. A good watch is really important. It will make a basic outfit stand out from the rest. Actually, think about guys that you consider stylish. I'm sure they almost wear a watch every other time you meet them. Wait, they almost always have a watch every time you see them, right? Well, that's the power of a watch. It's something subtle, but it really does make a statement when you have a good watch to match your outfit. The second thing to spice up your outfit is to wear your clothes differently. For example, a regular jacket like this denim jacket would be worn in casual settings. You'd probably wear it with chinos and khakis and something and a t-shirt or something like that. You can try and dress it up a bit. You can wear it with a mandarin collared shirt. It will really give a new edge, or it will give a new feel to whatever it is that you're wearing. So for example, if you're used to dressing up a particular article in your wardrobe, try dress it down a notch. And if you're used to dressing it down, dress it up a bit. You will see the difference it makes. It will make you stand out and your outfit will no longer be basic. So am I saying it will be acidic? Bad joke. Another thing that you want to consider doing is layering. Layering entails wearing your clothes in layers. For example, you can wear a jumper in between your t-shirt and your denim jacket or your bomber jacket or your leather jacket. Layering will really make your outfit stand out, especially when it's cold. That's the ideal weather for you to get layering those clothes and make them look good. Of course, you'll use a lot more clothes, if I may say so, to compose an outfit, but it will really make you stand out. Another thing you can do to make your outfit stand out is to accessorize. And by accessorizing, I'm talking about lapel pins, lapel flowers, pocket squares, tie bars, and things like that. As long as you know how to style them, do not wear all of them in one outfit. Just know what is good enough for what outfit and you'll be set to go. Get that balance and make sure it kind of goes with the aesthetic you're looking for. If you're dressing it up a bit, you can use particular accessories, and if you're dressing it down, there's very limited accessories, especially if you're not someone that is into jewelry like myself, but you can always find a way around it. It could be as simple as wearing a metal band watch. It could be as simple as wearing something minimal but still looks really good. As long as it goes with the aesthetic of the outfit, you're good to go. And the last thing you should do to spice up your outfits, and this one we have talked about before, confidence, guys. Confidence. Confidence is everything. Allow me to come up with a quote for this channel. No confidence, no style. When all is said and done and you're wearing whatever kind of clothes you're wearing, it all comes down to confidence. If you lack confidence in what you're wearing and in how you present yourself, it takes away everything from whatever outfit you're wearing. It doesn't matter whether it's a designer suit. It doesn't matter whether it's a thrifted clothing article. If you lack confidence, it will bring it down to nothing. It really won't count whether you're stylish or not. So gentlemen, the last thing you should wear before leaving the house is confidence. And that, gentlemen, brings me to the end of today's video. That is how to spice up any and every outfit that you wear. If you like this video and found it helpful or informative, be sure to give us a like down below. I'd really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to subscribe today and turn on that notifications bell so that you can be notified every time we make a post here. Thank you so much for stopping by.